How to change location on Roblox account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your location on your Roblox account. So for that, just open your Roblox in your web browser. You can also do it the same process in your mobile application because the process is quite similar. So for that, just go to the settings from the top right, and now just click on settings. And here in the account info section, you will see all these details. So when you scroll down, you will see the option to account location. So just click on the drop down in the location section. And after that, just select the location of your choice that you want to change to. And as soon as you click on the changing location bar and change your location, you will see this notification which says that you can change your location only once, and your location determines what is allowed in your account, including the currency used for your gift card and purchases. So if you are not sure why you need to make this change, do not continue. So that means in order to change your location, you have to be residing on that particular country where you want to change your location to. So which will also include the currency or the gift card that you will use in the Roblox account while making any purchase and buying any game on Roblox. So you can't really change your location just for the sake of it. You need to be residing on the particular place, and your device location should also be showing that you are residing in that particular country where you want to change your location to. So this is the only and the legitimate way to change your location in your Roblox account. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.